One, good morning, everyone. I think I said that. This is Josh Elbow. In the video today, I'm going to be going over my technical analysis I did for EPZM for my swing trade on October 4th through the 7th. If you're new to the channel, the purpose of this channel is to introduce all of our viewers to potential income sources, whether that's an extra $100 a month or $50,000 a year. That's my purpose and my vision for this channel. The cost of this video is to leave a like so that more people like you can see it and hopefully change their lives financially too. So I want you all to pay it forward because leaving a like helps the algorithm. And if you get value out of the channel long term and you want to see more videos, then by all means leave a subscription. If you need to get a hold of me, my Instagram for DM is at @thejoshelbow. I'm pretty good about responding as quickly as I can if I have the time availability, and also by email, which is probably quicker at summitsme@gmail.com. Without making you wait any longer, we'll get into the video. The ticker was EPZM. I ended up losing about $84 on this trade. EPZM. And I was only, I'm trying to see the number on here. I was 9 trades into trading, and I had only been doing it for a couple weeks. By 1 month mark, I was at about 21, it looks like. So EPZM, pull up the 180 day, already up on 10-4. So it's right in here on 10-4. I think I bought, so this was actually a good trade. If I would have put a different stop loss in place, I probably would have made money because it looks like I sold out at, yeah, I bought in either too early or I bought too many shares, that's what I did. This is a good learning experience to talk through. I bought too many shares so that my stop loss was limited because I didn't see the upward potential. Because if we look here, from all the way down here, previous support levels were way up here, but previous resistance levels, let's call it up here, which it obviously ended up breaking. So if we were getting in right in this range, it had way more upward potential versus downward potential, which is a good thing. It was below the 180-day SMA line, so I'm not too crazy about it there. But from an RSI indicator standpoint, or RSI indicator is actually a little bit redundant, because unless it's relative strength, I'm not sure if it's relative strength index or indicator. But it was oversold down here, which is good. I had waited till it had bounced over the confirmation on the SMA line here. However, the challenge I had was I didn't wait for, I saw too much downside risk. I was playing overly conservative. And when it sold, I sold out at what? 1041. Yeah. So bought in at 1083, sold out 1041. So it bought in here. Did wait for the confirmation, but I bought right here. When it dropped back down here at the 1041 mark, it bottomed out here. That's the only other challenge that I see with it. It did like bottom out, so I definitely probably wanted to get out of it. I wasn't sure if it's going to keep going lower or not. It was at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands there. But if I would have waited for it to get back in, maybe I bought at the confirmation here or here, then it could have been a good trade because there's still a decent 44% gain right there. But I stuck to my plan. I stuck to my strategy. The biggest takeaway, I guess, I would say from this is I bought too many shares. So the fact that it went down, let's say I had only bought 100 shares and I was expecting, if I bought 100 shares at the $10, I would need it to go up $2, which is still below the old support levels, which is technically the new resistance, I believe. But that puts my $2 mark if I buy in here, or at the 10 mark-ish, especially if I would have waited in here, because it had a huge breakout all the way up to nearly the $15 mark, it looks like. So there's my good and my bad. The good, oversold in the RSI, did wait for the confirmation. The bad, didn't confirm, or was below the 180 SMA line. I was disciplined. I sold when it went out, but I could have waited here too, because right in here, it's basically still on the oversold, which is a good deal. Waited for the confirmation, bought in and gone over, and then when it broke the 180 SMA line, it shot up too. So there's my take. Lost money, could have made money. Good trade execution though, because I did get out in time. I was just early for the play right in here. If you have any questions about this video, other videos, most of my focus is business and finance related. So if you have a question that you think I can help answer for you, I'd love to help. I'll see everyone in the next video.